footsteps. And out of Taz's secure apartment she will appear. Morning, Taz. Say hello. Let's go. I follow you. I just thought I'd put it on so it's a bit of fun, yeah? So I want a bicycle. Love the mirrors up here. These are strange car parks here. Houses aren't. No, these ones this side. Yeah, Kanazawa. Yeah. It used to be very well. Yeah, these are nice streets. Left up. Wow, look what they're doing over there. Oh, that's Evans, yeah. Evans, Italian. I know. Because there's no parking anywhere around the outside of the place there. 7-Eleven. Better coffee at 150 yen than what you pay at a coffee shop. Okay. It's bike lock time. Whoops, don't be careful because it's... Okay, because there's a couple of things that are always stolen in Japan. Bicycles and umbrellas. And I think you're allowed to. Yeah, there's nothing sacred about pedestrians in this country. Run them over if you can. Kind of cool walking through the shopping centre. This is not bad. Okay, Tess, let's go. You're okay? Whoa! Juiced. What? Taz, there's lots of guys go there. Don't know. Yep. Yeah, okay. Later.